Have you ever wondered what's really happening inside your hair clippers while they're buzzing away? Why the blades move so fast? Why some clippers are super smooth, while others shake like a mini earthquake? And what hidden safety features keep those razor-sharp blades from slicing your skin? Today I'm taking you deep inside the world of hair clippers. Blade movement, motor types, cutting mechanisms, and safety features, all revealed. By the end of this video, you'll understand your clippers like a pro barber. Whether you're a home groomer or a professional barber, you'll walk away knowing how clipper blades actually cut hair at lightning speed, the difference between magnetic, rotary, and pivot motors, why some clippers overheat, how guards and safety systems protect your skin, and insider tips to make your clippers last longer. Let's begin with the heart of every hair clipper, the blades. Clippers generally have two blades, a stationary blade called the comb blade and a moving blade, the cutter blade. The cutter blade slides side to side across the comb blade, trapping hairs between the teeth and slicing them cleanly. Have you ever looked at your clipper and thought, how can something so small cut that fast without tearing your hair out? Here's the secret. The moving blade rapidly oscillates, often between 3,000 to 10,000 strokes per minute. That's faster than you can blink, and that speed is what makes the cuts smooth instead of painful. The comb blade stays fixed in place. The cutter blade moves. Hair gets trapped between the teeth, and boom, into tiny pieces. The precision of these movements is what creates that satisfying bzzz sound we all know. Now let's talk materials, because not all clipper blades are created equal. Most common blade types include stainless steel blades, durable, corrosion-resistant, affordable. Carbon steel blades, sharper, but require more maintenance. Titanium-coated blades, heat-resistant and long-lasting. Ceramic blades, stay cooler and sharper but can chip if dropped. Did you know ceramic blades can stay up to 75% cooler than steel blades? That's because ceramic isn't a conductor of heat, so it doesn't heat up as fast when the motor is running at high speed. Barbers who do back-to-back cuts love these for that exact reason. All right, now for the power behind the movement, the motor. There are three main motor types you need to know. Magnetic motor, aka electromagnetic, uses magnetic fields to move the blade. Fast and lightweight, great for quick trimming. Noisy and can heat up. Perfect for home clippers and lightweight trimmers. Rotary motor uses circular motion to create even blade strokes. Consistent power. Handles thick hair, bulk removal, fades, slightly heavier. Perfect for professional barbers doing all-day cutting. Pivot motor. Designed with double magnetic action. High torque, slower blade speed, cuts through wet or coarse hair with ease. Perfect for barber shops that do textured cuts, tapering, and bulk trimming. Have you ever noticed how some clippers cut through thick hair like butter, while others struggle? Now you know. It's the motor. Next, let's talk safety. Clippers have incredibly sharp blades. So how do they keep your skin safe? Here are the top safety features built into modern clippers. Blade alignment system. The blades are aligned in a way that prevents the moving blade from protruding beyond the comb blade, minimizing skin contact. Blade guard attachments. Guards come in numbered sizes number 1, number 2, number 3, which determine how much hair is left behind. They act as a barrier between blades and skin. Overheat protection. Some advanced clippers have sensors that slow the motor if the blade gets too hot. Tension screw adjustments. This lets you fine-tune the blade gap, preventing snagging or pinching. Rounded blade tips. Even on sharp clippers, the tips are rounded to glide safely over the skin. Have you ever felt your clipper pull hair instead of cut? That's usually because of misalignment or dull blades, not the motor. Let's address a common pain point: overheating. Your clipper heats up due to three things. 1. Friction between fast-moving blades. High motor speed. 3. Lack of lubrication. Dry blades equal more friction equal more heat equal more discomfort. That's why barbers always reach for clipper oil. Apply 1 to 2 drops before and after heavy use. You'll increase blade life and reduce heat dramatically. Inside the clipper, there's an entire mechanical ecosystem working together. Here's what's happening under the casing. Armature transfers motor power to the blade. Drive lever connects motor to moving blade. Spring creates tension and oscillation. Power coil creates magnetic movement. Housing casing absorbs vibration and protects the system. When you press that power switch, you're activating a mini-machine that converts electrical energy into mechanical motion at incredible speed. If you opened your clipper right now, would you recognize any of these parts? Let's talk about keeping your clipper alive. Here's a barber-approved maintenance routine. Oil blades regularly, brush out loose hair, disinfect blades, replace worn guards, check tension screws monthly, use cooling spray for long sessions, store in a protective case. Doing this consistently can extend the life of your clippers by years. So now you know exactly how hair clippers work, from blade movement to motor types to the hidden safety systems built in to protect your skin. Before you go, tell me in the comments, which clipper motor do you prefer? Magnetic, rotary, or pivot? If this breakdown helped you understand your clippers better, hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video with someone who uses clippers at home. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next Deep Tech Breakdown.